Hello, we are the team behind Be My Eyes, a visual aid app designed to prevent medication errors at home. Please note that this is a hypothetical project. My name is Ryan, and today I'm joined by my colleagues Labana and Jackie. With the growing population of elderly in Canada, it's becoming increasingly important to look at medication errors and how to address them. According to recent studies, 75 to 96% of seniors admit to making medication mistakes. Among this population of Canadians over the age of 65, 2/3 take over 5 medications, whereas a quarter take over 10 medications. Thus, polypharmacy is a contributing factor. That's where our app comes into play. Our app, Be My Eyes, provides an innovative solution that would allow older patients to discern their medications. By utilizing machine learning, specifically object recognition, and audio feedback to announce a pill's identity, a user can scan their pills and identify what they are before mistakenly taking the wrong one. Why AI, and is it feasible? Among the visually impaired seniors, there is no way to confirm their pills themselves by checking an online image, for example. AI steps in to do the thinking for the user. By using a database of pill images in various orientations, lightings, and backgrounds to train the model on, it is possible to create an AI that recognizes pills' identities in various environments, or at least provide a short list of pills the AI thinks it could be. As pills are developed and medications gain new looks over the years, the model can be trained on new images, allowing for continual updates and improvements. From surveillance of street traffic to analyzing radiology images, object recognition has been used in practice to aid humans in detection, and this is no different. Ultimately, this app supports older patients to take their medications safely and age in place. Our app aligns with the strategic goals of the AHS Innovation and Business Intelligence team in terms of improving medication safety at home, which aligns with improving patient outcomes. And our aim to empower seniors to age in place aligns with solving the complicated challenge of providing quality long-term care that meets seniors' needs. Our strategies also align in terms of people-first design and co-production of care being used to improve the quality of healthcare for patients. Breaking perceptions and stereotypes of the elderly helps to ensure health equity improvement. Progress through innovation provides implementation feasibility by exploring new avenues. Lastly, expanding markets to the elderly helps to build revenue sources that provide economic benefits. Keeping seniors and their caregivers at the center of care, we conducted preliminary interviews with stakeholders, first with seniors living with vision problems aged 65 and above, and then their families. The seniors mentioned their priorities are to age in place, be safe taking their pills, and to not rely on their caregivers to manage. Their families are concerned that, although their loved ones have not been harmed yet, it is a possibility. Some common characteristics shared among the seniors were that they were smartphone users, all wore glasses, were on 5 medications or more, and all have mixed up their pills before. We also talked to family doctors and community pharmacists, and the main themes that arose were that they had concerns about patient safety and acknowledged the need for patient education, but also understand that it can only do so much to mitigate risk. Patients will undoubtedly have difficulty with taking medications themselves with multiple factors involved, so there is a need to aid them in the process of taking medications at home. Thus, the stakeholders that will be impacted most by the development of Be My Eyes are on board and excited with the prospects.
We chose our top 4 KPIs, key performance indicators, to align with our goals for the Be My Eyes app. First, safety, the app's pill recognition accuracy, and satisfaction through customer satisfaction score. Return on investment, the medication error cost savings, and the amount of advertising revenue generated. And lastly, downloads, the number of new users in the first year. Building upon our KPIs, here we have our performance targets. First, we would strive to achieve at least an 85% accuracy for pill recognition, which is considered ideal by industry standards. Normally, it is between 70 and 90%. Maintain a 70 to 90% customer satisfaction score. A good range corresponds to ratings of 4 to 5 out of 5. gain a medication error cost savings of $29,166 per month, and add revenue of at least $880 per month. This has been calculated from the cost-benefit analysis divided by 12. Lastly, we hope to attain 51,130 new downloads in the first year, based on a target audience of 75% of Albertans aged 65 plus with vision problems and estimated to be a smartphone users. Past the first year, we expect exponential growth based on referrals. We use a cost-benefit analysis to compare costs and benefits of the Be My Eyes app. The total costs for developing the app, taking into account labors and supplies, are $168,000, whereas the total benefit the app will provide in terms of saving costs from medication errors plus enhanced ad revenue is $360,560. The benefit cost ratio is therefore 2.15, which is more than 1. Means the benefit outweighs the cost. There is support for app development. Mind you, this analysis only considers 1 year of benefits, so over time the benefits will continue to grow, while the majority of the costs depicted here are upfront.
Here in our risk matrix, we have the likelihood of an event plotted on the vertical axis, ranging from rare to very likely, and the consequence severity on the horizontal axis, ranging from insignificant to severe harm. Assuming a medication error at home because of seniors' impaired vision happens at least once a year, and these errors can be fatal, you'll see we've plotted a potentially preventable adverse event at the highest risk score. With using our app to help ID medications, there's potential to mitigate this harm and move into the low risk range. We've defined key roles and expertise we need to make Be My Eyes a success, and they're shown here in the org chart. A project manager will provide oversight and liaise with all the stakeholders, and then 4 roles will make up the app development and design team, which will consist of a UI/UX designer, front-end developer, back-end developer, and a QA developer. These app development and design positions are contract roles that will last the length of the project. Now, the innovation and business intelligence team will support us with a contact person just to help advise and support navigating the innovation pipeline. Now, finally, representing our community stakeholders, we have a pharmacist to help us understand the background of medication errors and prioritize the medications that are usually involved in mistakes. They'll also help point us to a database of pill images that we can use. And last but not least, to keep our focus on a people-first design, we'll include 2 patients and family caregivers for ongoing feedback throughout app development and deployment. We recommend the AHS Innovation and Business Intelligence team support our project to improve medication safety at home and aging in place for seniors ages 65 plus who have low vision by approving funding for the Be My Eyes app for $168,000. Looking past the first year, we envision the app will have broader applicability to more age groups living with vision problems who take multiple medications, and there's potential to expand globally. Thanks so much for your time. We're excited at the prospect of working with you.